Hello everybody. Welcome back to Channel Best Woodworking. Cutting down a giant 1,000-year-old cedar tree is a monumental task, especially when it's 15 feet in diameter. With chainsaws revved and adrenaline pumping, we embarked on this daring endeavor. Blessed with luck, the hollow core made the job slightly less daunting, yet challenges still loomed. Cutting down a giant 1,000-year-old cedar tree is a monumental task, especially when it's 15 feet in diameter. With chainsaws revved and adrenaline pumping, we embarked on this daring endeavor. Blessed with luck, the hollow core made the job slightly less daunting, yet challenges still loom. As my partner tackled their first colossal tree, I lent a helping hand, ensuring safety and efficiency. We meticulously planned our approach, recognizing the need for precision in every cut. Despite its age and grandeur, this cedar tree had to yield to progress. The chainsaw roared to life, its teeth hungry for timber. With practiced hands, we sliced through the trunk, each cut a step closer to felling the behemoth. Yet, even with its hollow center, the tree clung stubbornly to life, necessitating strategic maneuvers to navigate around the intricate network of supports. One of the trickiest parts was negotiating the cutout underneath, a delicate dance between power and finesse. Creating a double window to access the retainers required skillful precision, but we were determined to see it through. As the final cuts severed the last connections, the giant cedar began its descent. With a thunderous crash, it surrendered to gravity, echoing through the forest as a testament to our feat. In the end, it wasn't just about felling a tree, it was about mastery over nature's giants and the thrill of conquering the impossible.
Experience the mesmerizing spectacle of slow-motion tree chopping as skilled lumberjacks demonstrate the art of cedar tree removal with lightning-fast precision. Witness the mastery of chainsaw techniques as these experts swiftly cut through massive trees with unparalleled skill and efficiency. Amidst the flurry of sawdust and the roar of chainsaws, safety remains paramount. Even with a team exerting force to pull the tree down, employing a wedge adds an extra layer of precaution, ensuring the tree doesn't unexpectedly recoil. This precautionary measure is indispensable, particularly when tackling stubborn trees that resist the pull. Every chop, every movement is a testament to both technique and caution, showcasing the delicate balance between speed and safety in the demanding world of tree removal.
In the heart of the dense forest, amidst a sea of towering giants, stood the stubborn cedar tree. Its girth was unmatched, boasting a true 12-foot diameter that seemed to defy the very laws of nature. For years, it had weathered storms and stood firm against the ravages of time, earning a reputation as the behemoth of the woods. But today, the cedar's time had come. Armed with chainsaws and determination, a team of skilled loggers approached the mighty tree, ready to conquer the seemingly insurmountable challenge it posed. They knew this would be no ordinary task. This cedar was different, stubborn, resistant, and unyielding. With precision and expertise, the loggers set to work, their chainsaws roaring to life in a symphony of power and determination. Yet with each cut, the cedar seemed to mock their efforts, resisting their advances with a tenacity that bordered on defiance. Undeterred, the loggers pressed on, employing every trick and technique in their arsenal. They knew that patience and perseverance were their allies in this battle against nature's titan. As the hours stretched into days, the cedar stood firm, a testament to its resilience. But the loggers were not to be outdone. With strategic cuts and strategic placement of wedges, they slowly gained ground, inch by hard 1 inch. Every movement of the chainsaw was a calculated risk. Every swing of the axe a test of their skill and resolve. After many hours of tireless effort, the cedar tree began to sway. With one final, thunderous crack, it surrendered to the inevitable, crashing to the forest floor in a symphony of splintering wood and earth-shaking impact.